Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on ProtonMail and set up the account. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on proton.me/mail, you will see that you can create a free account. So click on here. Now you will have an option to sign up for free or have some of the plans like Mail Plus, free 99, Proton Unlimited 9.99, and Duo. So these are the differences. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a free account for one email address and click continue with Proton Free. Now you're gonna need to create a username, password, and click create account. Let's create an account just like so. And let's verify it. Now you're going to set up your display name, so I'm just going to leave it like so. And that's it. Now you have signed up. You can go ahead and choose a theme. And here it is. Now you can protect your email by setting up auto forwarding from Gmail, change account logins to your Proton address, and you can also get a Proton application. I'm just going to click maybe later. Now, if you would go on settings right there, you can go ahead and check out your plan and add a payment method so your subscription would be renewed automatically if you are not using a free plan. Now from here you will see right there language and time settings. There's also domain names which you can go ahead and add here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.